Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the program. Today we have the wonderfully talented Aurora Axnes from Norway. Let's have a listen to this. Warriors and Weirdos, which you are affectionately called by Aurora, fans of Aurora as it was. Let's have a listen to this. Winter Bird. This is live at Nidarosdomen. Look at this gothic, just incredibly thematic, and just that venue is crazy. Oh, those are just stage lights. Yeah, every performance I've seen at this concert has been crazy. She really sounds just like the studio recordings, and she's such an interesting artist always to sort of get lost in, just evaluate a little bit. You're always gonna pull out something. And I've said this I think on a lot of her videos, like there's always a conundrum of thought that you're left in, a food for thought. The themes and ideas that she puts forth, sometimes they're bleak, sometimes they're beautiful, sometimes they're... And she also, she talks a lot about, in her work, dreams and death, but also life. Like there's that whole yin yang, and it's... Yeah. Let's see where Winter Bird is gonna take us. Let's go. Such an animated performer too, like so... Organ. So powerful. What an instrument, eh?
Walking in my sleep like the naked trees. Will they wear?
Walking in my sleep like the naked trees. Like already she's evoking these images of a dreamlike theme.
Like the naked trees. Will they wake up again? Do they sleep? Do they dream? Feel it as the wind strokes my skin. I am moved by the chill. Hear the winter birds sing. My tears are feel alive.
So all I need is to remember how it was to feel alive. The entire song, really interesting imagery. Like right away it starts with that, like, you know, I'm walking in my sleep amongst these naked trees. So she's already evoking, and she talks about dreams as well throughout the thing. But you sort of get this picture of Aurora, or the central character, walking in this frozen picture of nature. You know, she talks about my tears are always frozen, and I see my breath in front of me. So there's sort of like this idea of cause and effect, or our symbiotic nature, or symbiotic relationship with nature itself, which is ever evolving and ever changing, and we're essentially moving farther away from nature as millions of people move into giant metropolis cities, and cities become more technologically advanced as we continue forward here. Are we losing a little bit of that, like, nature? Are we losing a bit of that perspective connection to nature? She has all those images, and she says, hear the winter birds sing. And that line that she repeats there, I just need to remember how it is to feel alive. I love how she's talked about, you know, after that line, what did she say? She goes, my tears are always frozen. I can see my breath in front of me. And I'm here painting pictures with my fingers, or painting pictures with my hands. Which is interesting because, of course, when she's performing, she's always so animated. And her fingers are always, you know, sort of doing all these interesting movements, which are like this, like, nature dance. So yeah, that's a beautiful song. Man, those strings and that organ at the beginning was just so... those strings were juicy. And that organ is just such a classic sound, so powerful, so moving. It was just instantaneous chills right there. Absolutely. I was like, oh my goodness, this is gonna be, here we go. Aurora again, giving us that substance, that food for thought, and putting some art on our faces, making our whether you cry, whether you smile, whether you frown, whether you stare into the distance and ponder. Whatever your reaction was, it's evocative. All right, everybody, we'll see you soon. Take care of yourselves. Peace out. Warriors and weirdos. Until next time.